Okay, grade 6, this is homework 2.2. Questions 5, 6, and 7. Alright. Here we have some donuts. We have 6 glazed, 4 cream, and 2 chocolate. So we can just do this. 6, semicolon, 4, dot, dot, 2. So we can label it CH for chocolate, C for cream, or CR if you want, and G for glazed. Right, it says if there are 20 total cream, so let's put 20 down here because it's under the cream. Now it says how many chocolate. We can find all of them. How can we do that? Look at 4, so we have 4 here. How do we get from 4 to 20? We must multiply by 5. 4 times 5 is 20. So then if I do 6 times 5, I need 30 glazed, and 2 times 5 also, so I need 10 chocolate. What's the question about? Chocolate donuts. So here we go. I need 10 chocolate. So I can just put in the answer 10 choc donuts. I can even write it the American style, donut. Right. 2 cups of raisins. Okay, it's a mix. 2 cups of raisins, 2 cups of peanuts, 1 cup of seeds, sunflower seeds, and 1 cup of chocolate. Put the dots in between there. These are all part-to-part ratios. This is for a small batch. I want a large batch with the same ratio. Okay, so we need to multiply by something to scale it. If the large batch has 8 cups of what? Peanuts. Now let's go back. We need 2 cups of raisins, 2 cups of peanuts, 1 cup of sunflower seeds, call it S, and 1 cup of chocolate, RPSC. Alright, peanuts, if I have 8, again, from 2 to go to 8, the scale is times 4. So let's forget about this because we don't care about raisins. Let's forget about chocolate because we don't care. We care about sunflower seeds. So 1 times 4 is 4. Yeah? So the answer is 4. Okay, last question. The football coach needs to divide 48 players into 2 groups. Okay. One group, group 1, they have 1 to 3. So group 1 and group 2 is 1 to 3. This is the ratio. Now, how many players will be in group 2 if you divide 48 players? Now we need to find how many parts there are in total. So do 1 plus 3, and the answer is 4. So I have 4 parts. How do I divide 48 into 4 parts? We can use the bus stop method. So 4 divided by 4 is 1. 8 divided by 4 is 2. I must multiply by 12. So 1 times 12 is 12. And 3 times 12 is 36. How do I know that? Because 3 times 10 is 30. 3 times 2 is 6. How many in group 2? Okay, remember, this is group 1, this is group 2. So group 2, I will need 36. So the answer is 36. Easy, because it's the same ratio. You just multiplied by 12. That's it.